In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import all stock buy sell, dividend and interest income from your MooMoo account to TurboTax. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to log in our TurboTax account. I already logged in my TurboTax account, and then left side you'll find like this. From here you'll find federal section. By default it will be looking like this. You just need to click here and very shortly it will be expanded. From here we have to come this part, wages and income, and once we move our cursor over there, right side we'll see this type of menus. From here we have to choose investment and savings. I'm going to click here and very shortly this page will be opened. Once this page is opened, we have to scroll down till we find this option, add investments. What we need to do, we just need to click here to start adding our MooMoo stock buy sell, everything, all the information. I'm going to click here. Once I clicked over there, it will be opened like this. Now from here we'll see on search box and couple of stockbrokers firm is there. So for me, I'm going to type here MooMoo over there. I'm going to start typing MooMoo. Only Moo, if we start typing, then we'll see MooMoo Financial Inc. is there. What we need to do, we just need to click here, and then shortly it is asking to fill two information. One is account number and another is document ID. These two information you can find from your MooMoo account statement. Once the account number and document ID has been completed successfully, we'll see get my form button is there. We just need to click here and very shortly we'll see it is going to import all the information. But before going that, it is asking to click this checkbox so that the system will detect I am not a robot. And finally just click over there continue button. And now we'll see TurboTax is able to import all the information like 1099B and 1099 INT, and if there is dividend it will able to import all the documents or information. And that's it. In this way we can easily import all the MooMoo related tax information related to stock buy sell, dividend and interest.